Say hi, Captain.
That's so cool.
You know, that airplane just landed. See him turning? The guy out here, he just landed. That guy right there.
Okay.
Make a left here. Okay, keep going. This isn't our runway. We're going to use this to get to the other one. Okay, reach up there and flip those 3 lights on. Push them down. Down. There you go. Make a left.
Yeah.
Push that switch in. Okay, then stop. Very small corrections on the rudder pedals. Don't steer with it. You steer with your feet. There you go.
80 knots.
Don't lift off yet. Steer with your feet.
31. Rotate.
Okay, lift off, lift off. Up, 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 up. Okay, keep it about 10. Okay, now start making a turn to the left. You want to keep your nose at about 10. See how it keeps stuttering too? That's that damn video card I gotta fix. Say hi, everyone.
Hi. So geil, Alter.
You can use this to trim it too.
Ah. 03, 5, 6.
Okay, watch your speed. You need to come down or you're gonna stall.
Speed is. Which is speed?
Right there. So you need to come down a little bit. There you go. Now, if you want, turn around and we'll head back to Frankfurt. Just do a complete circle and we'll go all the way back to the airport.
Bist du aufgeregt, Laura?
Wir stützen mal ab.
2500 terrain. Full up.
Okay, now start leveling out.
Terrain.
Okay, there.
Up.
Don't let it climb on you. Don't let it climb. Okay, keep that nose down. You need to keep descending. There you go.
Woo.
Runway straight ahead. See it?
Yes. The right one.
Yes.
Terrain. Full up.
You want to keep your speed at about 150. Right now we're coming in real hot, so lift up a little bit because you're a little low. Okay, start coming down. That's it. Okay. You're doing good.
Last point.
Need to come down a little bit. See that PAPI light, you want to see 2 whites, 2 reds.
Yes.
All white, you're too high. All red, you're dead. Doing good, doing good. Little low. Get your nose down, get your nose down. Get your nose down, get your nose down.
Full up here.
Get your nose down.
Faster. Too low here. Too low here. Minimum. Minimum.
Woo.
100.
Ah. Get it down, get it down, get it down.
50. 40. 30. 20.
Turn. You're wrecked. Yeah, that damn thing disconnected right when you. It's that damn piece of crap video card I was telling you about last night. Close. You can shut her down. Just hit that light up there again. No, the main light. Yeah. I need to smoke. You stressed me out. It's a lot easier if we could have used the autopilot and I could have had you set up. And we will before you leave. I'm going to get it. But this is going to YouTube first.
Dann flanden. Wie die irgendwelche Schwester.